In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on your GMC K1500. This will be located in the engine compartment against the firewall on the passenger side. Let's get started. Using a 13mm socket, remove both bolts. Lift the reservoir up. There's a hook in the back holding it. It'll pop off. We have one connection on the bottom of the bottle. When you take this off, be ready for coolant to come out. Ours doesn't have any coolant in it. If yours does, be sure you have a collection bucket under this. I used a small flat blade screwdriver to help me. You can slide that clip down the line or remove it. I'm going to give this hose a twist and pull it off. And remove the coolant reservoir. Get the coolant reservoir into place and install the coolant line onto it. Be sure that that rubber line is fully seated. I'm going to pull my clamp up. I'm going to put this in the same position that it came off. These hoses are old, so they have a depression where it used to sit. You always want to line them back up. And then push the clamp together, hearing that click. We're going to install that back hook onto the bracket on the firewall. We're going to get our bolts started. Make sure they're nice and tight. Once we have the reservoir installed, we can fill our coolant up to the cold line by opening the cap. Just unscrew it, and we can add our coolant. Once you're done adding coolant, throw the cap back on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.